Hello everyone! Today I'm making a delicious and tasty recipe, egg pakora. It's a simple treat, but trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Please watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For this recipe, start by boiling 4 eggs. While they're boiling, prepare your batter. In a bowl, combine gram flour, coriander, red chili powder, red chili flakes, salt, black pepper, carom seeds, and cumin seeds. Add water and mix everything well to form a smooth batter. I personally love to enjoy this with some ketchup, so I've set some aside in a bowl. Now that the eggs are boiled, peel them carefully. Heat some oil in a pan. Then coat the boiled eggs in the gram flour batter and fry them. You can see, once they turn golden brown, they're fried perfectly on one side. Now the eggs are fully fried. Take them out of the oil and cut them in half. Just look at that crispy texture. Enjoy your egg pakora with your favorite sauce. I'm using a combination of green chili sauce and ketchup. Of green chili sauce and ketchup. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.